Hello everyone, this is Graham from Unboxed Tech Reviews, and today we're going to have a quick look at the IIWEY dual dash cam. So just have a quick look at the box. Bit of information there: Wi-Fi, GPS, WDR, 2K. Not much else on the box. We'll crack it open and see what's inside. See a little bit of a warranty extension there. Little card with info on. We've got the actual camera itself there. Information about what to do with the memory card on there. It's just standard. Format the memory card before you put it in, and then format it once it's in there. So we'll go ahead and we'll remove this screen protector if we can. Tear that off. A nice shiny screen. So I'll put that to one side for a second. We'll have a look at what else is in the box. So you've got your standard cigarette lighter power adapter, just the mini USB connection, cigarette lighter adapter. It's got extra USB on the top there. We've got the rear view camera. You see this rotates round so you can get the right angle on the camera that you need. Connects via this type of connection here, little push connection. And you can also connect this up to your reversing camera, your reverse light, so that it'll activate as a reversing camera as well if you want. I'm not going to use it as that feature, but you can if you want. This one here connects into the camera to provide the video and power feed for that camera. Get your suction cup mount. Suction cup there. Connection on the top. You've got your GPS as well. We'll have a look at that in a sec. And you get your instruction manual. A little info card there. Nice to read through and set it all up. There's also, you can download an app called the Car OK app, and there's a link there. You can download it from the Play Store or the iTunes Store. So you can connect this camera to the app and you can view the live footage, you can view your recorded footage, you can download it straight to your phone or your tablet. So that's pretty handy to use. I'll put a few screenshots and screen recordings of the app in with this video as well, and I'm going to set this camera up and show you it in motion so you can see the quality of the video. I'll include some video footage in there. So I can see on here, got your micro SD card slot. It'll take a micro SD card up to 128 gigabit. Must be a class 10 or above for the recordings. That's where your rear camera will click into there. Got your power button, your power control on the top, and also that's where your mount connects in on there, your screen mount. I'll show you that later. I'll take the little sticker off the screen there. So what I can actually do, I can actually power this up just for a sec to show you. Just got a portable power bank there. So there you can see that the image from the reverse camera is there. That all works fine. You can see some settings if we stop the recording, because it starts recording straight away. I've already put a memory card in there. Go to settings. System settings. Screensavers, default settings, sounds, frame rate. And change it from 50 to 60 Hertz. Date and time. Languages. Scroll along, you can have it a parker monitor, so it will like trickle power all the time. If it's parked up and feels a bump, it'll start recording. I've locked the settings in the screen. Format your memory card. You want to do that as soon as you put your new memory card in. Version, it'll give you information about the software version. Erase all. Auto power off. You can auto power off. You can set the minutes 1, 3 or 5. And you can go to recording settings. Change the resolution. So when you've got the rear camera in, you can go to a maximum of 1080 for both front and rear. If you've only got the front camera, so if you disconnect this rear camera, you can change the front camera to a maximum resolution of 1440p. You can record audio on or off. Loop recording, you can cycle through 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minutes. WDR on or off. Date stamp on or off. G sensor off, low, medium or high. Motion detection, coding and the Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi, you can select the Wi-Fi, you turn it on, and once you've downloaded the app on your phone, you connect your phone to this camera's Wi-Fi, and that way you can connect to the camera and see the recorded footage, and you can download that footage to your phone, which is a nice handy feature. I'll show you that later on. Go back and go to photo settings. If you wanted to take a snapshot, 3 megapixel, 5 megapixel or VGA quality. Time, you can put a timer on to take photo. Quality, fine, normal, economy, put on fine. Sequence, single or 3 pictures. EV, you can change that. So there's some nice features on this little camera itself. It's really good, really handy. It's a nice small size. It's got a 3-inch touchscreen, and inside this you've got the NTK96675 processor and a Sony IMX307 sensor. So it's got some decent features on this one. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can show you for now. I'll set this up in the car and show you how it's set up. It's really easy to route this cable. The cable for the rear camera is 18 feet long, so you should have plenty of cable to route along your headliner and through your door sills, etc., to get it all set up exactly the way you want. And the power cables, obviously standard size, standard length power cables, enough to get it from your cigarette lighter port up round your sill up to the windscreen where you're going to have it. So I'm going to set that all up, and I'll show you some footage from the camera itself, and I'll also put a screen recording in of the app so you can get some idea of how good the app is.